yeah, this is kind of a causeway, I guess, that goes through like the salt marsh, I guess. Been coming here for a long time. A little bayou section. Really cool little roadway. It's pretty. I mean, you're not going to go fast here, but that's not the point. Look how pretty this is. This is gorgeous. This is Florida. There's the Bayport Inn back there. Great little restaurant. Fun place. Down there in the water. One of my favorite little rides. Like I said, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Bike be there. It'll be like Dollar Generals and stuff, but for now it's beautiful and it's untouched, you know, real deal Florida. I love coming out here. You know, we've been coming here ever since we moved here.